Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today I am going to share the Excel files, essential Excel files you are watching in my tutorials, and every day more than 100 emails are coming to me for those Excel files and reference files. Today I have tried to arrange them all together in a folder. I'll show the files. Here's this one, checklist for ETABS. Number 2, determination of slab thickness. Number 3, water tank load calculation. All these Excels I have used in my tutorials. Wind load calculation. Here this one little bit updated for 0 degree and 90 degree according to ETABS input. Okay, reinforcement calculation. From the ETABS result we can calculate the rebar dia, or we can check the number of rebar reaching the required reinforcement or not. Advanced checking of building. Here we will see base shears check, history drift and torsional irregularity. Drop panel calculation. This one for ETABS, we can calculate the size of drop panel and we can provide this same dimension in ETABS. PT slab design. For PT slab design, this Excel I have prepared, and this is very valuable Excel. That's why I did not want to share, but now I am thinking maybe a lot of people will be happy after getting this Excel, so I am sharing this one. Footing design according to BS code. This I have used in my tutorial for Excel preparation, how to create or prepare Excel for design calculation. You can see the tutorial, you will get it in Decode BD. And this one, ETABS result, we will arrange here, and then from here we will copy and paste to this state foundation Excel format. Here if we provide the input value and then create an XML file, that file we can import in state foundation to for analysis and design of all footing using the result values from ETABS. And this is the reference CAD file for ETABS full course. These files I have uploaded to my Google Drive. From there I'll share the link below this tutorial or below this video in YouTube. Please check the description of this tutorial to get the link for these files. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like the videos and share the videos with your colleagues and other engineers, and stay with Decode BD.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.